Hey, what's up, guys? Back to This is Bellari. Today I will be installing the rear wheel. Only got the new tire mounted, got it back from the shop, so today will be installation of the wheel. And just like always, we will fast forward through all these parts just to save some time. Oh, next project is going to be taking care of this. This is also junky eBay. So I'm going to get rid of this, that, and put on the BMW one that I just ordered. With also waiting on, for this I'm waiting for the banjo bolt double. That's my next step. That's coming from, I believe, Japan, because that banjo bolt has a pressure switch for my rear brake. So that's the way I'm going to get my rear brake to turn on with my front lever. Alright, so today that's it for the rear tire. Next would be here, but I'm probably gonna clean the carbs first, get it running, because this I'm gonna have to take it to a shop so I can get this welded, cut and welded. But I'll get it running, so I'll probably be, my next video is getting my carbs running, cleaned. Alright, but there she is, Bellari. There's my Bellari right there. Boom. All right, guys.